If you activate the window auto up function of your Armada and it goes back down, that means that we need to recalibrate the window auto up function. Let me show you how to do that. The anti-pinch feature was introduced as a safety precaution in case kids have their hands or fingers in the path of the window closing. That way, it will not accidentally injure any kids while the window is in the process of closing. Hello and welcome to How to Helen, where you learn something different every day. In this episode, we will be resetting or recalibrating the auto up function of this 2008 Nissan Armada. The first step is we'll put the car in the on position without starting the car. Next, make sure that the window is all the way up, then press the down and hold. As soon as it goes down, press the window all the way up. Now do that one more time. Now turn off the car. Give it like 10 seconds for it to remember the setting. So let's count for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's test it. Put the car again on the on position. Now let it go down automatically. And let it rise up automatically as well. And now we were able to reset the auto up function. Yes! And that is how to reset the auto up function or anti-pinch function of this 2008 Nissan Armada. This has been another episode of How to Helen. My name's Arja, and thank you for watching.